worry fam, it's only not twisting. I know everyone, ask anyone. Triple them till the end of me off did it man. Sorry for me language.
Hey boos, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone away for a little while, but I am back. And for those who don't know me, I am Elise London. I'm going to be reviewing today for you is this wig that got sent to me from Nadula Hair. And they sent me their top selling 180% density body wave 360 lace frontal wig, and it is in a length 24 inches. So what was included inside the box was a silk head wrap, a pack of 2 wig caps, and an adjustable strap which you can sew onto your wig if you want to, and the hair itself. And mind you, this is their Brazilian body wave. And once I took this hair out of the packaging, there was no bad smell and no shedding. And this unit did come pre-plucked with baby hair. It's like, yes, I always love a pre-plucked wig. This unit does come with a huge amount of parting space, not even gonna lie to you. And the cap construction of this wig, it comes with 3 combs and an adjustable strap at the back. So off camera, I did go in and bleach this wig and pluck it. So at this point, I'm just showing you the curls, and then I'm gonna try this wig on and adjust it to my head to see how it fits. And this wig is 100% big head friendly. Alright, so after I adjusted it on my head, everything's looking good. Then I'm gonna go in with my foundation and apply it to the entire lace, just to give it that more natural type of appearance. And the foundation I'm using is my Makeup Revolution foundation in the colour F14.5. So once that is all done, then I'm going to place the lace down to show you exactly what I mean by doing this, that it's going to give off a more natural appearance. So in today's video, I'm going to try something a little bit new. As you guys know that in my videos, I always use the Got2b Freeze Blast spray. But today instead, I'm going to be using the Ghost Bond glue. So what I do is I use 2 layers of this glue, then I go in with my Ractel comb and then smear out that glue. Then I go in with my blow dryer and then blow dry it until glare. And then repeat the same steps on the other side. Then what you're going to do is place that lace down, and then I go in with my comb and press that lace right into that glue, just so that I know that it's going to be secure on my head and it ain't going nowhere, baby. Then again, I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and I'm just making sure that that lace is extra secure. And at this point, this is scalp baby, scalp baby, scalp baby, scalp baby. Then I'm going to go in with my Got2b spray and apply that to the lace also. I talk about 10 man, man I talk NW 10 man. All when me bet someone left the ends fam. You know me love it and me rep it to the end man. Yo, whole heap of pen girl, yo, whole heap of skeng man. More time me one up now roll with 10 man. Came from selling them 5s and 10s man. Cheese and bread man, burgers, that's beef and bread man. Hopping on fence with the food in the so ironic cause we was running from a fed man. And as you can see, the air tabs are very low, so I'm gonna go in and cut them off on both sides. What you know about us, but there's a right in it. Brother things go left when you're writing it without her man. Then I'm going to go in and cut the lace in 2 sections. And this should be familiar to you as I have done this in my previous videos. And to cut the lace, you can use either one, an eyebrow razor or a hair scissors. It is completely down to you. But in today's video, I used both. Never could have been a beg man. And to style my baby hair, I'm going to go in with my Eco Styler Gel, the green one. And I can honestly say that Nadula Hair is one of my top favourite hair brands. And the link to this wig will be in the description box below. And all of the details about this wig will be in the description box below as well. So at this point, I'm pretty much done installing and styling this unit. So I hope you all enjoyed watching today's video, and if you enjoyed, leave a thumbs up and leave a comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye boos.
Don't worry fam, it's only not twisting. I know everyone, ask anyone. Triple them till the end of me off did it man. Sorry for me language, but I get emotional. When I'm talking about my hometown, sister, yeah, we not smoke no homegrown. Put it on the map, and me twist it like a kangaroo.
Yo.
Oh, feel road.
Yo.
Ah.
Northwest 10 man, couldn't care about them man. Always talking about them man, never could have been them man.